India's retail and food supply ecosystem is evolving rapidly. As consumption grows and supply chains modernize, companies that control the entire value chain are shaping the future of the industry. Patel Retail Limited is one such integrated platform connecting sourcing, processing, manufacturing, retail, and global trade. Built on a simple idea of delivering quality products at affordable prices, Patel Retail has grown into a diversified retail and food processing organization. Driven by trust, discipline, and operational excellence, Patel Retail operates across 3 integrated business verticals: retail supermarkets, manufacturing and food processing, and global exports. Across MMRDA region, Patel Retail operates a growing network of modern supermarkets designed to deliver everyday value to consumers. Food, daily essentials, home care products, apparel, and convenience items are organized under one roof, creating a seamless shopping experience. With thousands of SKUs across multiple categories, these stores function not only as consumer destinations but also as powerful distribution platforms. Retail power is strengthened by private labels. At Patel Retail, Indian Chaska leads the shelf, supported by high-margin home care brands like Blixo, Tidy Flush, Sanic, and many more. Designed for value, loyalty, and scale, these brands are expanding their contribution to build stronger margins and deeper consumer trust. Retail here is not only about selling products, it is about building brands. Agriculture is not outsourced, it is integrated. Working directly with over 2,000 plus farmers, Patel Retail builds backward linkages to ensure quality, traceability, and stable sourcing from farm to factory. Every input is structured for industrial precision. At Patel Retail, every part of the value chain is connected. Raw materials are sourced directly from farmers, processed in advanced facilities, converted into strong consumer brands, distributed through retail stores, and exported to global markets. The model is simple: source smartly, process efficiently, build strong brands, and distribute at scale. This integrated ecosystem ensures consistency, efficiency, and long-term growth. Across Gujarat and Maharashtra, Patel Retail operates advanced processing facilities, supporting both retail and export operations. Products move through automated cleaning, grading, sorting, and high-precision packaging systems. Specialized technologies such as cryogenic grinding preserve the natural aroma and flavor of spices. In-house laboratories, cold storage, and dry warehouses ensure strict quality control throughout the production process. Patel Retail's Dudhai facility is strategically located near Kandla and Mundra ports, connecting India's spice-rich sourcing belt to global trade routes. The Dudhai region itself is known for spices, giving Patel Retail direct access to quality raw material and faster export movement. Location here is not geography, it is advantage.
एक सपना जो गुजरात का छोटा सा गांव दूध से शुरू हुआ, आज बड़े मिशन में बदल चुका है। हर घर क्वालिटी प्रोडक्ट एंड एफोर्डेबल फूड प्रोडक्ट पहुंचाना हमारा मिशन है। ट्रस्ट, क्वालिटी, ट्रांसपेरेंसी हमारी पहचान है। ये जर्नी अभी सिर्फ शुरू हुई, व्यापार हमारा लक्ष्य नहीं है, बल्कि हर किसान और ग्राहक का बेटर फ्यूचर बनाना है।
At the center of Patel Retail's brand strategy stands Indian Chaska, manufactured in-house, present across multiple retail chains, and now positioned for pan-India expansion. Indian Chaska connects production excellence with modern consumer demand, locally trusted, nationally scalable, globally competitive.
At Patel Retail, one of our primary focuses is to expand our range of private labels and boost their contribution to overall revenue. Our own brand Indian Chaska, which was launched in Maharashtra, is now set for distribution across the entire country.
A strong production base enables global operations with exports to over 25 countries and recognition as a 4-star export house. Patel Retail connects Indian manufacturing with international markets. Growth at Patel Retail is structured, not accidental. Retail expansion, processing scale-up, brand leadership, and export acceleration move together as one integrated platform from farms to factories. From manufacturing to supermarket shelves and from India to global markets, Patel Retail connects the entire value chain. Patel Retail Limited. Trust, togetherness.